Raining cats and dogs. Raining very heavily. I can't go outside. It's raining cats and dogs. Take an umbrella. It's raining cats and dogs out there. Sit on the fence. Not making a decision. He is sitting on the fence and not picking a team. She sat on the fence during the argument. Hit the books. To study hard. If you want to pass, you should hit the books. I have a test tomorrow, so I need to hit the books. Blow off steam. Release anger or stress. After work, I play video games to blow off steam. She sings loudly to blow off steam. Let sleeping dogs lie. Don't talk about old problems. Just forget it and let sleeping dogs lie. It's not important now. Let sleeping dogs lie. Cry over spilled milk. Worry about something that already happened. He kept crying over spilled milk after the game. You can't change the past, so don't cry over spilled milk. Add fuel to the fire. Make a bad situation worse. He was already angry, and you added fuel to the fire. Don't add fuel to the fire by arguing with him now. Bend over backwards. Try very hard to help someone. The teacher bends over backwards to help her students. He bends over backwards for his family. Throw in the towel. To stop trying because it's too hard. He threw in the towel after one try. She never throws in the towel.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!